Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Klarna on Deliveroo. Now this is a very simple and easy process, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be doing it on the Klarna app, however you can do it on your desktop device as well, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're on. So what you want to do is go over to the shop section, and we can find that on the home page. Now from here we can just click on this search bar to search, and we just want to type in Deliveroo, and when we click go we'll be able to see Deliveroo as the top result. So we can click on this button that says website to be taken to the Deliveroo website. So now what you want to do is just type in your postcode in the search bar, and we just want to click search. So all you have to do from there is just put your address in that search bar, and then you'll be taken to this page here, and you can actually choose what food you want. So let's just say I wanted to order from Eat Active. I'd select that, and now we can view the menu and choose what we want to buy. So I'm just going to click this and add it to my cart, and then we're going to go down to view basket and then go to checkout. Now you can log in or you can just continue with email, so I'm just going to do this, and then from here all you have to do is just put in your phone number, and then when you get to the checkout process you'll be able to actually pay with Klarna. Because Klarna and Deliveroo are official partners, when you go to the Deliveroo checkout, you will see Klarna as an option. So you just want to do that and confirm your payment. And then from there, Klarna will take the payment for your Deliveroo order, and then you will have to pay back Klarna in installments. So that's exactly how you can use Klarna on Deliveroo. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.